Hello GED students, it's GED question of the day time, and we're still building our algebra skills here, looking at another one of these challenge problems from MashUp Math. They've got lots of great puzzles you can try over there. And sometimes I occasionally post them as a question of the day because I like my students to get better at algebra. So let's take a look here. A lot of students, when they see things like this, get a little overwhelmed, don't know where to start. Here's a helpful hint. Let's start with an equation where there's only one thing we don't know. There's only one thing we don't know. So like the first equation, I don't like this one. I don't like this line because I don't know what pineapples are and I don't know what strawberries are and I feel all in a muddle. There's no clues to help me here. Not a good place to start. But look down at the third line. Down here, you'll notice that I've got bunches of grapes. That's it. That's the only thing I don't know. The other thing's a known number. And so this is a really good place to start. Let's start here. So I'm saying some number plus the same number equals 24. What number plus itself equals 24? Now I'm a math teacher. I do math all day long. So I know what number plus itself equals 24, but what if you're not? Well, guess a number and check. Like, try it. Let's try 10 plus 10. Does 10 plus 10 equal 24? No, but I'm super close. 20. 11 plus 11. Does that equal 24? Well, no, but I'm getting closer. Look at that, 22. And of course, it must be 12. 12 plus 12. 2 10s, 2 2s, of course, that's 24. And so what did I just figure out here? Well, I figured out how much a bunch of grapes is worth. In algebra, whenever you figure out what a symbol's worth, you go ahead and replace that symbol, I don't care whether it's an X or fruit, with that number. So what we just figured out is that on every single grape, let me pick up a different color here that shows up better. On every single bunch of grapes, I could write 12. That means every bit of the grapes in this entire puzzle here is worth 12. Okay, cool. Now that I know that the grapes are worth 12, that really wants me to take a look at strawberries, because in this equation, I have the only thing I don't know is a strawberry. So what number times 1 equals 12? Well, of course, strawberries must also be worth 12, because 12 is the only number that if you multiply by 1, it'll stay 12. Okay. So what does that mean to us? It means now I can replace every strawberry I see with a 12. I go in and replace all the unknowns with the known value. Okay, cool. I'm getting closer and closer, guys. Now I'm looking up towards that first equation. Why? Because the only thing I don't know in the first equation is pineapples. Again, I just keep looking for something where there's just one thing I don't know so I can figure out that one thing. So what I'm saying here is if I add up these 3 pineapples, I get 12. I'm looking for the same number that I could add 3 times to get 12. Well, that would have to be 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus another 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the only number that I could add 3 times to get 12. What does that mean to us? It means I can replace this pineapple down here with a 4. And now it's easy enough to figure out what the watermelon is. What number plus 4 equals 6? Well, of course, 2. And now, finally, I can replace this watermelon down here with 2, and I can do the math. 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 2 is 26. And so the answer here is 26. Okay, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer it.